Wow, we've completed Module 3. That is more than half of this training, and we just have 2 more modules to go. Things are going to get more interesting and paced up now, so catch your breath and get ready for a roller coaster ride. In the previous module, we have learned how to make layouts and added views to these layouts. We also learned how to add clicks to a button, how to navigate to different screens by using intents. Further, we learned how to send data from one screen to another and also how to save login preferences using shared preferences. We hope that you have understood all these concepts and will remember them going forward. If you feel underconfident about a concept, we recommend you to go back and revise the concepts of Module 3 so that you don't feel lost with more advanced concepts as we move on. Also, we hope that you have completed all the learner activities of the previous module since they will be helpful when you do the final project at the end of the training. Okay, so we have made a small Avengers app in the previous module whose purpose was to teach you how to make a login page and connect it to other activities. We also learned some other important concepts along the way. But now, we won't be working with the Avengers app anymore since we can't really do much with such a basic app. Okay, so before we proceed with this topic, let's see what we are going to be making in this module. We are now going to make a basic book app which has a list of books that are fetched from the internet. This means that we will finally connect our app to the internet in this module. Clicking on any of the books will take us to a separate detailed page about that book. This screen will have the option of adding this book to your favorites. Also, this app will be more advanced such that it will have this sliding screen that you must have seen in a lot of apps. This will help us go to some other pages in the app such as the favorites page, about app page, etc. Looks exciting, doesn't it? Also, we won't be making the login screen again for this app since we have already learned all that needs to be learned about the login activity in the previous module. That being said, let's all get aboard the plane of Module 4. Please fasten your seat belts and get ready for a long and interesting ride. All of you must have used apps like Instagram, Gmail, Facebook, Internshala, Uber, which have this drawer-like thing that gets swept in from the left and helps us navigate through the app. Well, this is known as the navigation drawer and it is an important screen in today's multi-screen apps. We will learn how to make this navigation drawer in this topic. But before we go ahead and actually make this drawer, let's analyze the elements that it has. From the top, we see that it has this colored part which has an image and some text. We immediately know now that we need an image view and a text view to add these, right? This is known as the drawer header. Then we have this other element which has a list of options. Doesn't it look like a menu for us to choose from? Well, these are actually called menu items. Each of these is a separate menu item. Now, as you can see, each menu item has an image and some text. So, we know what a navigation drawer contains. We will learn how to make all this in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned.